Hello everybody, hope you all are doing amazing at your home. It's me Tanya. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you have already subscribed to my channel, welcome back. So in today's tutorial I am going to talk all about Zoom meetings makeup tutorial which we're gonna wear in while attending Zoom meetings, FaceTime meetings, as this lockdown has extended so much. So many of us are working from home, and for any interweb meeting we need to look very much presentable. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I always start my makeup routine with little bit of face prepping. After I'm done with moisturizer, for the base I choose this BB cream from Nykaa. I'm applying a little bit of it. Actually the look I am creating today is moreover a natural look. If you are someone who usually avoid to wear base products like foundation or BB cream, so you can completely skip this step and go ahead with covering your scars and pigmentation with the concealer. It's totally fine and it's totally up to you guys. So with the Elegant Pro concealer I am covering my dark circles. I'm using a little bit of it. After that I am going to blend it really nicely. The concealer I am using is in the shade Pure Beige, and for the blending I am using my fingers because it's a really quick makeup routine, and trust me, in this look I am barely using 5 or 6 products. So after that I am using the cream contour stick from Naibe and I am in shade Toffee. It's a really beautiful bronzer and also it's so affordable. So for blending my beautiful bronzer I am using a big fluffy blending brush. I feel like putting bronzer will give more dimension to our face. So the products I am using in this tutorial, I am gonna link each one of them in the description box below. So do not forget to check that out. And also let me know how much you guys like this tutorial, and if you are someone who don't really wear bronzers on daily basis, you can completely skip this step, but for interweb meetings I really want you to wear bronzer. So it really defines our face, so you can see how much my face is defined right now. So after that I'm using my beautiful lipstick from NYX. It's a cream product and I am totally in love with this. This is really amazing, and I am in shade Cool Intention. I'm using this to give some beautiful pigment to my eyes, cheeks and lips. So now I am just blending the product in, and you can see how natural, dewy, freshy kind of look this cream product gives me. After that I am going ahead with same lipstick to apply on my lips. So as you can see, it's a beautiful mauve brown kind of shade, and apart from that I went in to define my lashes with mascara. The mascara I am using today is from Lakme Iconic. I personally feel wearing mascara really makes a big difference in your look. So after applying mascara I feel like putting some more pinkish kind of color, so I went up to add little flush to my lips. With brows it's my usual routine. I always start with defining and filling all the gaps which I can see. So that's it for today guys. If you like this tutorial, do not forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so that you cannot miss any upcoming videos. Bye guys.